How to cancel follow request on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to cancel follow request on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Using the search icon at bottom left corner of the screen, you can tap on the search bar at top of the screen and type in the username of that particular person to whom you have sent a follow request on Instagram. As you can see that we have requested to this user on Instagram, but they haven't yet followed or accepted our request as a friend on Instagram. So simply you can tap on requested button once again, and then as you can see that we have cancelled the follow request to this user. This is the case when you remember the user or the person to whom you have sent the request. But if there are plenty of people that you have sent a follow request and that you want to cancel, simply head to the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and choose the three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Just select the account center at top of the screen. Scroll down, tap your information and permission. Now download your information and then tap download or transfer information. Choose some of your informations and then you have to scroll down and then choose the option for followers and following. Tap on the next button and select download to device, or you can either tap on transfer to destination as well. After that you have to choose the date range and the email ID. After that your request will be sent to Instagram support team. After a while waiting for like 24 hours or 48 hours, you will easily get the file where you can see all your follow requests on Instagram, and then from there you can directly cancel all your follow requests on Instagram. So that's how we do it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.